Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Curefast wound care healer. No medicine, no gas to improve wound closure and then to be sculpted fast for kids, elders, and easy injured people. I would like to give it a shout out to Alan from Solium for sending me this sample to show you guys. This one is the safe and then no contact and then easy to carry, reduce pain and infection, a good companion to Band-Aid and first aid kit. And then they offer a 100% money back guarantee. So it is a non-invasive, reduced repeat debridement paint. Curefast is designed to have surface wounds sculpted faster with the blue light therapy. So in case you get injured outdoor sports like skateboard, scootering, snowboarding, or any other adventure sports, this will come handy. And it is a portable small size to carry for both home and then outdoor use. The safe blue light to sterilize, hygienic air to dry your wound to sculpt it faster and prevent further infection. It gives us 400 to 470 nanometer blue light with a hygienic air outlet. Has a power switch, heal wound, power off, or phototherapy. Come with a USB cable, antivirus filter layer, tweezer for layer, and then a user manual. So anyway, I'll be including the link that is going to show you in the description so you could check them out. So let's go ahead and then unbox this and then see what it looks like. So I got this air bubble wrap or air bag. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Curefaster. And then this is what the item is going to look like. Painless Q. UV sterilized wound dryer. Exceptions. Not for hospital. Curefast can replace a hospital professional treatment, but focus on small surface wound. As long as the machine is used correctly, it can quickly sterilize and dry small surface wound to promote healing. If the treatment is not effective for a complex situation, please see a doctor immediately. Therefore, we are not responsible for any problem caused by improper use of the machine. And here's some of the caution for your health. The using time of antivirus filter layer is suggested to be 1 hour. Once it is used for more than 1 hour, please change it. Do not shine directly on the eyes and keep away from children. So here from about 2 to 5 centimeter or equivalent to 1 inch. And this is made in China. So the charging power is USB DC 5 volt, 1 amp/2 amp. Charging time is 3 hours. And standard is FC and FDA. And then you can check out their website to check out the item. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So here the instruction or manual that come with it. And here's a surprise thank you card. So I guess these are two of the filter that come with it. It's an antivirus filter layer. And here's your micro USB charging adapter. Here's a tweezer. And this is the unit right here. You don't want to shine this at your eye. The Curefaster branding right here. Use your charging port right there. I believe that's a LED indicator right there. Let's see. Wow. So one is UV light only, and the other one is UV with the blowing fan or blowing air. We switch it all the way up, and in the middle it is off. So that'll be 1 inch apart. Also, you put the filter in here. It's like a hair dryer. Let's take this out. So this is a tweezer come handy right here. You use the tweezer and then get the filter out and then place it right there. So actually you could wash this to reuse it, and then there's a magnet right there. And then that's it. So when the air coming from the back to the front, the lint or the dust will trap in that filter. And then once it gets dirty, you could change it. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And be sure to check out the links that's going to show you in the description, so you guys could check out this nice product. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.